Should you paint your own house or hire it out? Everyone tells you DIY is cheaper. That's true on paper. But once you count your own time, the real answer is more complicated. Let's break down the actual cost, category by category. Start with DIY materials. For a 2,000 square foot home, you're looking at $1,200 to $1,500 in premium paint, $200 to $300 in primer, and another $250 to $400 in supplies like tape, rollers, and drop cloths. Add a little for mistakes and waste, and total materials land around $1,800 to $2,500. Now here's the part most people skip: your time. A whole house interior paint job takes the average homeowner 80 to 120 hours, spread across 3 to 6 weekends. If you value your own time at $50 an hour, that's $4,000 to $6,000 in time cost alone. Add that to materials, and your true DIY cost is actually $5,800 to $8,550. Compare that to hiring a professional crew. A full interior paint job for the same size home typically runs $4,000 to $12,000, done in just 2 to 4 days. Labor makes up 70 to 85% of that price, but you get consistent film thickness, straight lines, and a job that's finished in days, not weekends. There's also a durability difference. A well-done professional paint job tends to last 7 to 10 years. A rushed DIY job, especially one done without proper primer or prep, can start failing in 3 to 5 years, sometimes even sooner on high-traffic walls. So, when does DIY actually win? For a single room you're not picky about, DIY can save you $500 to $800 in real terms, and the time investment is manageable. But for a whole house, once you factor in your own hours, the total cost gap between DIY and hiring a pro shrinks dramatically, sometimes to almost nothing. The real question isn't which costs less on paper, it's what's your time actually worth and how many weekends are you willing to trade it for. Price out both options honestly before you commit either way. Subscribe for more real cost breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, DIY or hire it out.